Hi, I'm Joy Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. How are you? And wherever you are, happy holidays to you. I am checking out some of the stuff that I received recently from my subscription boxes, and I have promised that I would do a review on this. The review I'm going to do is on a product by IBY Beauty, and it's with IPSY. It's an exclusive, and it's called Fireside. Looks promising. It's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see what's inside. I'm a little intrigued how these colors got picked, because when I think Fireside, I think warm, toasty colors. I think browns for sure. Green, not so much. Browns definitely. An intense red maybe, some oranges. These are the closest ones that come to it, but I'm not sure about this color. I'm not sure about that color. This is a shimmer. Some of these are shimmers, by the way. Below Zero, which is sort of like a wintry thing. Nippy is another shimmer. Cozy Up, Hoodie, and this green one is called Evergreen. That's also a shimmer. So I'm going to, very powdery, but very smooth. So those are the top three. And you're gonna have to be careful with this. There is quite a bit of fallout, but I'm gonna do that here and see how it goes. Okay, this is unique. I think I put these colors backwards, but okay, that's Below Zero. This shimmer one here, that's barely seen. This one here, which is a very toasty light brown, is called Snow Bunny, and this chocolate one is called actually Hot Cocoa. But the colors seem to come off fairly easily off my hand, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but let's just see. Here we have Nippy, S'mores, which is the brown one, and the green, which is called Evergreen. 1, 2, 3. I mean, not bad, but it does come off pretty chunky. Again, that's a Nippy, S'mores, and Evergreen. Okay. So again, not bad. Yeah. And finally, we have Hoodie, Cozy Up, and Black Ice. Okay, let's see how these look. I'm running out of room, so. Okay. So you see there's a little bit of chalkiness there, a little bit of texture, a little bit of chunk, but otherwise, again, this is Hoodie, Cozy Up, and Black Ice. And to me, Black Ice doesn't look all that truly black. It looks more like a deep, deep brown, almost like a soot brown. Yeah, but again, it comes off fairly easy off my hand, so I'm wondering how it's gonna look on these lids, because you know I don't really trust swatches, because the performance of them are going to vary greatly depending on the texture and thickness of this skin versus the texture and thinness of the actual eyelid, which is a very delicate, thin area. So let's take a brush and let's see if this Fireside works its magic. See if I can do this color right down here, which would be the top color in the middle. And I'm just gonna go in. Wow, okay. I was just gonna use this as an older color, but it's looking pretty good as a regular eye color. Yeah, I was gonna use this as a base. Okay, not bad. I could still use this in a longer base. But that is pretty. Not bad at all. Okay, and I'm wondering, I could just put this on the lid because it's gonna get covered by whatever color I'm gonna put on there. But this is a nice, lovely base color. as well as using for a normal color. I mean, it has pigmentation, so that's nice. I think I'm gonna go in next with Hoodie for the lid. What do you think? This is the shimmer, so I don't know how it's gonna stick, but we'll see. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. And that's with one application. I haven't even finished. I'm still applying it. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I'd have to say it's very pretty. Now I'm going to go in on the other eye. And I'm going to apply it. Wow. Okay, guys, what do you think about this color? Do you like it or do you like it? I'm gonna say I love the way it blends. At the same time, the worry that I had about how easily it brushes off, you may want to prime your eyelids with this in order to make it stick. But the colors themselves are a beauty to blend. They are a pleasure to blend. It doesn't take much to blend them. And each color doesn't muddy out into something else, which is nice. They all sustain their own uniqueness. On the other hand, would I have considered the IBY Beauty palette Fireside to have more of these orange and red tones and yellow? Yes, because Fireside, that's what I thought of when I first heard the word and saw the packaging. And then you see this, which is totally different from what I expected and not bad. I have to say, not bad. Do keep your little protective plastic because this chunks off easy. There's a lot of fallout, but the blendability factor is through the roof. I would say this is a lovely job that IBY Beauty did, and I'm loving that it's an exclusive with IPSY, so this is not something that you're gonna see everywhere. This is something that's apparently is exclusive only to IPSY, so thumbs up on that. I will place the prices on this. I think you might be able to still order through IPSY. I'm not sure, but I will post the website here for your own information. Overall, I would say this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Did you get this? I think I got this. I will post a video somewhere here. I got this in one of my latest IPSY Glam Bags. I think it was the Glam Bag Plus that I received this in. So you can check out that video. I'll post this somewhere here or at the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. And let me know what you think again in the comments below. Whether you like this particular IBY, do you like IBY Beauty? Do you love IPSY? Again, let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.